Whether you are sending a contract to a potential client or investor, or a form for a marketing campaign for a product, not knowing the status of a sent file or document is always stressful. Until now. With this in mind, we will present to you a fantastic lifetime deal on a platform that improves the way you interact with your clients by sharing documents and following them efficiently. So, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special price for you and your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Meet ShareDocView, a cloud-based document and file sharing program that allows users to share documents with specified marketing channels and individuals, such as potential customers and sales leads. ShareDocView lets you efficiently produce document links for investors, email subscribers, and website visitors. You can define access rights for each unique link to a document to control who can view or download it. For example, leads' emails can be validated with special codes before viewing or downloading documents. You can also host documents on landing pages that gather leads using Google One-Tap Sign-In, unlocking your crucial material. So your documents and pitch decks are always up to date and secure. In addition, you can use one-click to disable your material in seconds and password protect your URL. Everything syncs instantly, so you can change documents without swapping links. ShareDocView lets you personalize your documents with a watermark, logo, and brand colors. You can offer your professional information on a landing page or integrate papers into your website to avoid PDF. By adding a URL to your company's logo, you may redirect customers from the landing page to your website. ShareDocView lets you track your document's performance. You can get notified for every view and download so you can follow up with hot leads. Besides, you will be able to note which pages or slides have the most significant drop-off, so you can shorten what's working. Everyone who clicks on your link will see the latest version, no matter what field you change. Are you interested in getting this software? You can get a lifetime deal for this platform for only $59, just by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.